Wait, hold on.
You don't
They
know.
look exactly
you don't know
the
which
same.
matcha. You don't know which one is matcha?
This one? This one?
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not. Oh,
Wait,
here,
you
this
can't tell which one's green?
one. Only because I'm like, no, they look exactly the same.
What?
Here.
Life of a colorblind man.
But I could tell by the bottom.
Oh my
Packed for all the
gosh.
colorblind men out there.
Do you like your scone, Isla?
Go.
Scone?
Go.
Is it good?
Good.
It's good?
Go.
Can you give thumbs up? Good morning!
She's like, screw your vlog.
Good morning from Balboa Island. We had a free morning today and it was super rainy this past weekend. Sun kind of came out, so we came out to the island. Got drinks from this newer coffee shop called Jasper. This matcha's pretty good and didn't get it sweetened for once. Coffee shop. Got some pastries and now we're just walking along the water.
Balboa Baking Co. Get the
Oh, it's called-
cinnamon rolls.
Yeah,
The
pretty
macros
good.
probably ain't that good.
but it tastes good.
But it tastes good. She looks elite. Running.
You're running, Isla? You wanna run? Go running with them.
Isla, Isla, you want a boat?
Hello from Balboa Island. Are you having fun this morning? Fun in the morning. Okay. Just in case you're ever in need of a public bathroom, they're at the fire station, right where the bridge is. Open to the
Down
public.
Marine Way.
Down Marine Way. Okay, let's
Almost
go.
at the end.
And now we are off to Fashion Island. Haven't been there
Fashion Island.
this entire holiday season, so I wonder if the Christmas tree is still up. But we'll get some lunch, have Isla run around. There's Odin Parker, the new the toy shop moved to a new location, so I want to check that out. Did you know that?
Oh, it did?
Yeah, I think it's bigger. Isla wants NGO. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O, Isla? Yeah? NGO? Here's the new location. Oh, and then the new Ralph Lauren. Opening up in 2 weeks, I think. Location of the Ralph Lauren coffee shop, right where the koi pond is.
Wow.
So we got some packages this week that I've been meaning to open. I have a little Zara haul from their sale. So for Isla, we have this little pretty blouse. I think it's so perfect for spring. Isla, you like it? So I got this blouse and then these two shirts. She has these in different colors in her current size and they were on sale for like $9 or $10. The quality's really good. It's this really thick material. Okay, hold on. So I got these two in the next size up. And then for little baby, oh, one more. Got these pants for her. I love the flare pants that Zara has.
Picture.
Picture. Isla, don't touch. Come here. And for baby brother, I got this little cute set. Just a basic top and some pants. The top has buttons on the back. I think it's super cute. And then for our friend who's having a baby girl, Zara's baby girl stuff is so cute, and it makes me kind of sad that I can't buy any baby girl stuff anymore. But this is for our friends, just a little bonnet and a bib. So sweet. So that's the little Zara haul. So we got another package in the mail. I know exactly what this is. This was my parents' Christmas gift to us. Ever since having Isla and the second one on the way, we are trying to be more non-tox when possible. So I've been slowly trying to replace things in the kitchen that are more non-toxic and just healthier for us as a family. And part of that is changing our cookware.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
So we got a all-clad pan. So our first sharp. So our first all-clad purchase was a small saucepan that I use almost every day, sometimes twice a day. So they're pricey, but they're a great investment and they're gonna last us the rest of our lives. So this one is a pan. Honestly, I'm a little intimidated to use cooking. A little intimidated to use this. Cooking. Wow, but it is so pretty. Okay. Now we're gonna cook. We're gonna make eggs and pancakes. So we just got back from Costco and we got a lot of stuff. So this big thing of canola oil lasts us a long time. Usually I use this when frying like katsu. Yummy? Sounds good? And then some sumo oranges. Oranges! We got some avocados. Are you actually biting it? No. Cereal. Pasta sauce. Bananas. Strawberries. Yogurt. Meat that Tyler will grill. Good. Minced garlic, because when we're in a rush, there's no time to be mincing fresh garlic. I got milk, apples. Isla really likes those. These beef chuck rolls were great in a lot of different recipes. Eggs, blueberries, and ice cream. Okay.
Yummy.
Does it smell good? Smell good?
Yummy.
It's almost baby shower time. So this is the current setup. We have a few tables here. These ones, the guests will sit and eat. This will be our little dessert kids table. Got some snacks for the kids. We are getting boba. And here we will have our food and dessert. We're gonna get pizza here. We got some mini bun cakes, that'll go there. Tyler just went to go pick up all the stuff. We asked for books if guests wanted to contribute a gift, so I'll put those here. It's gonna be a pretty warm day today. The high last time I checked was 80 degrees, which means it'll probably be warmer. But this is a great little spot here. We got a playground there for all the kids. Got some soccer games that were going on earlier. this nice little gazebo.